numbers, when dividing two numbers that have the same sign, the quotient is positive. When dividing two numbers that have different signs, the quotient is negative. Dividing integers, minus 21 by 7, so different is equal to because the answer will be negative, because we are dividing 21 by 7, the result will be minus 3 and result will be negative always. So same, if the dividend is positive and divisor is negative, then result will be negative also. If dividend is negative and divisor is negative, then the result will be positive. When the dividend is positive and divisor is negative, then result will be negative. When the dividend is positive, divisor is positive, then result will be positive. Same, when the dividend is negative, divisor is negative, the result will be positive. So here we can see minus 3, minus 5, 8, minus 5, 3 and 4 are the quotient after the division of the given numbers, minus 21, plus 15, minus 16, 10, 18 and 36. Multiplying rational numbers. So in this case, the denominator will be multiplied by denominator, the numerator will be multiplied by numerator. Like 6 by 11 into 2 by 3, then 6 will be multiplied by 2 and 11 will be multiplied by 3. So here 12 by 33 will be the answer. And if we are basically taking the factor 3 in numerator and denominator, then 3 divides 12 4 times and 3 divides 33 11 times. So 4 by 11 is a decimal number and is the value of 6 by 11 into 2 by 3. The same as we can see here, 3 divides 6 2 times. So here 4 by 11 is the answer. So first of all, we have to reduce common factors, multiply numerators and multiply denominators. These are the three important terms while we are solving the multiplication of rational numbers. Now multiplying rational numbers, like 7 by 9 into 12 by 14, then we can see here 7 divides 14 2 times and 3 divides 9 3 times and 3 divides 12 4 times. So 4 into 1 by 3 into 2 means 2 by 3 is the final answer of this multiplication. Same 5 by 8 when multiplied by minus 3 by 10, then we can see 5 divides 10 2 times. So here minus 3 by 16 is the answer. Now multiplying rational numbers, like minus 6 by 15, minus 6 by 16, 12 by 15. So we can see here 3 divides 6 2 times, 3 divides 15 5 times, 3 divides 6 3 times, 2 divides 6 3 times, 2 divides 16 8 times. Same, 3 divides 12 3 times and 3 divides 15 5 times. So here we can see 3 by 25 is the final answer after multiplying all the numerators and all the denominators. Dividing rational numbers, like 4 by 11 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 11 into 3 by 2. So here when 2 divides 4 2 times, then 2 will be multiplied by 3 and 11 will be multiplied by 1, then 6 by 11 is the answer. So what we observed, first of all, change divide to times and write the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of the divisor. Second fraction, reduce common factors, multiply numerators and then multiply denominators. Now dividing rational numbers, like 1 by 3 divided by minus 3 by 2. Here this is very important to see here that if we divide 1 by 3 by minus 3 by 2, then to remove the sign of division, if we multiply this by second term, so this time the multiplicative inverse of the quantity used here, like 1 by 3 into minus 2 by 3, means minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by minus 3 by 2. So minus 1 by minus 3 by 2 means minus 2 by 3. is simply can be multiplied by 1 by 3, and we can see here minus 2 by 9 is the final answer. So minus 3 by 5 divided by minus 9 by 10. So minus 3 by 5 into minus 10 by 9. Here 9 is divided by 3 and 5 divides 10 two times. So here after multiplication of numerators and denominators, 2 by 3 is the final answer.